Hello, good afternoon. I have got some more oily education for you guys. I'm talking about one of our brand new oils that has just been launched here in Australia this month, and it is Green Mandarin. Now, Green Mandarin has been available from the US warehouse since the end of last year, but we have just had it made available in Australia, and I was really excited to get my hands on it. It is delicious. It smells and we are right in mandarin season right now, which is really cool, but it smells exactly like mandarins, it's so different to orange. It's beautiful. So the cool thing about green mandarin, firstly, it is sourced from Brazil. Now, we've got lots of oranges going on in doTERRA right now. We've got tangerine, we've got our wild orange. Green mandarin is different because it comes from, as the name suggests, green mandarins. And the cool thing about this, which I didn't know, but we've also learned since we got the oil, whenever mandarin trees grow, they need to be thinned out for them to be able to grow properly. So what that means is they take around 60 to 70% of the mandarins before they are fully ripe. They remove them from the tree so that there is enough room and enough resources from the tree to grow and ripen the rest of the mandarins. So probably 30 to 40% of the mandarins that are on the tree are the ones that go to fully ripe. So they pull off all the green mandarins, they make space for the rest of the mandarins to grow. And usually those green mandarins just fall on the ground and compost, or they're just chucked and removed away. We have found, or doTERRA has found through research, that there are a lot of benefits to actually using green mandarin and taking the oil from the green mandarin peel. So what this has done for farmers in Brazil is has produced a whole new level of income for them from something that would normally just go in the bin. So doTERRA is able to take the green mandarins from them, pay them for them. This payment for the green mandarins is actually enough for them to cover the rest of their year of farming. So whenever they make any money from the farming that they were doing originally just for the ripened mandarins, all of that is profit. So these farmers are so much better off, and there's no waste from the trees. So I'm a big advocate for no waste lifestyle, which is why I love my essential oils, and I thought that was really amazing. So that is where we get our green mandarins from. Some really cool things about this oil. One of the biggest exciting things is that we remind you guys about citrus oils and how they are photosensitive. So that means when you use citrus oils on your skin, you need to be aware of the amount of time that you spend in sunlight, because it makes your skin more sensitive to sunlight, which means that you will burn easier. Green mandarin is not photosensitive. So if you're like me and you love applying citrus oils in your body lotion, or you would like to make a cleanser or a moisturizer for your face that has a citrus tone to it, and you'd like to use, like, citruses are really great for oily skin or congested skin, or just generally brightening the skin, but you might lean away from them because you'd be scared of damaging your skin through the sun because it's going to get hit all day if you're outside. Green mandarin is not photosensitive, so you can use this in your skincare products. A really nice way to use it would be to make a toner using green mandarin and some witch hazel and a little bit of water, and then you could just spray that on your face. Would be a gorgeous way to use this oil. So it's not photosensitive, so you can use that on your body. Doesn't matter during the summer, during the winter, go for it. That's really cool. It's also really great for hair, skin, and nails in that respect. So it's very cleansing. It's got those really high levels of limonene, like most of the citrus oils do. It's great for our digestive system, so relieving constipation or any kind of ailments that are going on, bloating, flatulence, fat digestion. Great for lymphatic drainage. So like a lot of the other oils, I love to dry body brush with this. A few drops on my dry body brush, my dry body brush, and then just using that on my body to get my lymphatic system moving, and then that will gently help, I don't like the word detox, but help the processes of detox in our body, will support our body to do that even more efficiently. It's very nervous system calming. So we find with some of the oils like wild orange, when it's combined with balance, it can have an uplifting effect like a lot of the citrus oils, but Also very nervous system calming. So you could put this on in the afternoon by itself, or blend it with other grounding oils like frankincense or your balance blend, and it will have that really grounding and calming effect. Even in sleep blends as well, with maybe cedar woods, it would be a lovely one to use. For your immune system, help support your immune system, you can diffuse it, use it topically, or even take it internally. Add a couple drops into your water is delicious, and that just helps your immune system to stay a little bit healthier. It helps to support it. And from an emotional point of view, it is a heart opener. So that can mean a number of things. I love to use this as my body moisturizer, so I definitely apply it around my heart center. But if heart opening is something emotionally that you would like to do, then applying it to your heart center, it can help you be open to change, open to new opportunities, open to new people. Whatever way you feel that you need to open your heart, then Green Mandarin emotionally can support you to do that. So that is our brand new oil this month in the Australian warehouse. It's absolutely gorgeous. It has a really dark color, which you guys can't see, but when you drop it out, it's like a dark brown color. It's a really intense smell. I'm just loving it in my water and in my diffuser right now. I'm really enjoying this oil. So I hope you guys can get your hands on it. I'll put some more notes down in the comments below and links back to the website and everything, so that you can read some more about this really cool oil. See you guys.